Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to buy a jersey in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. And this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have the Live Pass, Live Today, Season, Limited Time Event, Showdown, and Campaigns. In the bottom, you're gonna find My Team, Auctions, Achievements, Objectives, and Sets. If we click on My Team, right here you're gonna find all of the active players in your team. You're gonna find also the bonus or the activated boost. And in the bottom left corner, you're gonna find your court, your home jersey, and your away jersey. If you click right here, you're gonna find a list that includes all of your jerseys, and you can also change your jerseys. If you want to buy a new jersey, just go back to the home page, and then right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find Store, Login Rewards, New, and Earn Rewards. For example, I'm gonna click on Store, and then once you click on Store, right here you're gonna find a lot of sections. So there is the features, Galaxy Dunkers, Game Time, Live Pass, Monthly, Earn Rewards, Core, and NBA Cash. Basically, guys, from here you're gonna find a lot of offers. So there is some bundles that includes players. There is that includes boosts or bonus items, or also some currencies. And you might also find some offers that include jerseys. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.